Hello everybody! We are quite busy here on our farm. Especially we are working on finishing the house, especially on the wall and the column and the railings in there. And I will walk you through here going to our mango orchard. Look at the grass, it is so brown, mostly dying. Without rain for a while, we have a heavy drought here. I'm gonna show you some update on our mango. Wow, wow! Look at the soil; it's cracking in here. Even this side there. So far, but they're thriving. Our plants here on the farm. Just walk slowly. And this time, I am going to show you that our mangoes again start blooming flowers in here. It was 2 weeks ago these mangoes there are the one flowering first. I thought there are only few, but there are quite a lot, and then this one follow next. But it was last year our mangoes here fruit bearing twice, but only this part going down, but the one on the top and also over there by the driveway, they are not fruiting yet. But this year they are start flowering. Hopefully they can have a lot of fruits since we don't have rain. Hopefully sooner we can have rain here. And now as you can see, and here the flower and this one start pollinating already. There are some fruits in there, but as I observed that the fruit is not quite a lot. Yeah, there are only few, not like last year. You see, as you can see, there are only how many in there, and in there is one, but there are some fruits coming out. We're hoping they have quite a lot of fruit this time, but the fruit here, look, without water, see, it's not really good. Hopefully they change. Look at this, even this one, there are some fruits already here, and as you can see the leaves start curly. But so far they are starting to coming out. But we are worried without rain they cannot really pollinate a lot, and also our banana trees here start like falling down because of no rain. So let's continue walking. Very hot day, by the way. Is the another mango tree. Well, they start again fruiting also, but hopefully, and more flowers coming out there in here. Yeah, and in there are quite a lot of flowers coming out also. I think this one is the apple mango. This one is this one. And what type of mango is this in here? Only the other side they have a lot of flowers coming out, but they start fruiting already. Some of the mango trees here start fruiting, but some just the flowers blooming yet. because they are late coming out of flowers in there. This one are like from there going down over there, they start fruiting already. Maybe when they start getting bigger, I gonna make some cover of this one here. I'm gonna make covers. I don't know how many, because mostly of our mango trees here starting to flowers and some are fruiting already. But this one, they're also the same, but yeah, but not much flower on this one. In this one, they have some fruit, but only few of the flowers are pollinating so far. Yeah, as I observed before, really, just in one tree there are quite a lot of fruits coming out. Hopefully this time we can still have a lot, but yeah, we really need of rain. So let's continue down here. Oh, by the way, yesterday we were cleaning up this area because quite a lot of leaves falling down. And this part here, this one, they just started flowering on this side, but I wonder why only in the other side there are quite a lot of flowers, but in this part of the mangoes they're not. But in here also, wow, I am glad really. But the mangoes that are not flowering and fruiting before are now starting. Even though they are really thriving even without rain, but we cannot really water them all because the deep well, we're afraid that we will be out of water if we're gonna use it. So we are just be careful of using the water during this time. I guess next time when they're all done working on our house, I'm gonna ask our worker to clean up the side of the fence. There are quite a lot of weeds and other plant coming in. Oh my, what happened here? Yeah, there are fruiting this one also, but there are really few. Usually on the one part of flowers like this, there are quite a lot of fruits, but this time, this one only one. No, they're not really pollinating. And some of these mangoes here, I did some marcot last time, but I will not cut the marcoted branch until the time the rain starts. Okay, so far this one also good, thank God. Yeah, quite a lot of flowers in here. Yeah, only those on the first line before until there, and even on the driveway are the mango trees that are not fruiting last year. But this time, look, quite a lot of flowers in there. And this one, uh, based on our observation on the mangoes, because we are not expert, we try to experiment something or observing what's going on. Like when the mango leaves start like that, and after that they start flowering. I don't know why. Yeah, when they start growing like new one, after they do the growing of that kind of leaves, they start flowering. Like this one here. Before, this one's also fruiting, but they have flowers already anyhow. But that one there, not yet. But after that one, that leaves, the flowers will come out. But even Let's walk. Yeah, I guess they're gonna start flowering now. There's some in there. This is the marang tree that I plant. I grow out from seeds. And that is the rambutan. That's the mango. Ah, even the mango there. Hmm, very nice. Hopefully next time the rambutan that I grow out from seeds will start fruiting. That one there. This start flowering and yet not much. They're not pollinating yet, that part there. I don't know. Yeah. It's really hard when there is a heavy drought. Especially we have a lot of plant. And especially my calamansi that I planted in there. Look brown now. And some don't have leaves but they have flowers. But before we used to water them, but when we observe our water in the deep well, we have to be careful using. That is why when I wash the dishes or other stuff, I gonna save the water, and that's the one that I gonna use for watering the plants here on our farm. Ay, good job. And also, it was 3 weeks ago we let our guy do the work on the fence last time to do the reinforcement on our fence here to make it a bit stronger on the column. So we add more concrete in there before we start that time on working on our house. And then when everything done in the house, we're gonna start again doing the mowing here, especially in this part where our pineapple and the banana tree that we planted last time, some of it start fruiting. Look at there. There is one bundle of fruit in there. Still green, not ready to harvest yet. We just planted this one, but now they're growing taller. This one need to be cleaned up again, mow, especially in this part, but really on that other side, all the grass are brown. I guess that is for today's update. And let us walk up here, even this one here. Look, they have new leaves now. And next time of that, start flowering like on this one. Here, they have new leaves. Then when the leaves like it becomes a change and then flowers will come out. The same as this one there. It happens like the one below. That's what we observe because we don't have like working on a farm before, so we're not experts. So we learn as we go along the way. Learning by doing, but learning the mistake also that been going on and try to correct it. So far, hopefully they continue give us fruit a lot. And last year we shared a lot of mangoes. Last time we did not even sell any of it. We share it for the first time that they are fruiting, but hopefully this time we can. See, no more new leaves here, and then after that one the flowers come out. Just walking around here by our mangoes. And I guess that is the update on what's going on here on our farm. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe into my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on my newly upload videos. And do like, comment, and share. Thank you everyone, and see you next time.